Retouch a video in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Select your video so it's highlighted and scroll to the right. See the option Adjust next to Video Quality and Auto Reframe. Scroll to the right, you have three options. Quickly retouch your video clip, Auto Adjust, Match, Color Correction. Happy and satisfied, this will do this automatically in Capcut Mobile completely for free. Mark icon, and this is what we have. Or should I say this is the before, is the after.